I just know this is gonna get me in the fall mood. I just know this is gonna put me in that fall mood. Like, I haven't quite decorated my house yet, but I have been waiting for this box, and I just know I'm gonna immediately like get into all the vibes. This video is sponsored by FabFitFun. I cannot believe I'm saying that for a second time. They sponsored me in July, so this is my fall 2025 box. Let me tell you something, treat yourself. Treat yourself to this, and if you don't know about FabFitFun, I'm about to blow your mind because I didn't even know like this was a thing, and it's truly magic in a box. But good morning, cheers. As you saw, I'm pulling for my fall mugs now. And I thought, what better way to kick off the fall season but by going through my fall 2025 box through FabFitFun. Before I show you guys the items that I selected for myself for fall of 2025, I want to tell you who they are and how it works, because as I said, like, I had no idea this was even a thing. So this is a seasonal box, and this is my fall box. And so every season, summer, fall, winter, spring, you're gonna get a box. And each season, FabFitFun curates a box full of the hottest deals. And then you just get to make it 100% you. You get to select exactly what's going to come in your box. And so there's just like a list of some of the most amazing things that are at full price, but you do not pay for these items at full price. And that's why I think this is like magic in a box. So it's customizable. You get to select exactly what is in your box. They're full-sized items, and if you don't like them, you can actually swap them out and get a credit in the shop and just get something else. So you get full-sized, high-quality products at the fraction of the retail cost, so you get up to 70% off. They also do a price match guarantee, so if you find it cheaper elsewhere, they'll match the price. And let me tell you, as I was going through the list and selecting my items for my fall box, I was shook. That was the hardest part. The hardest part about this is deciding what items you actually want in your box, but also you can also shop their sales as well. So you don't just have to like pick your box. They also have like weekly sales, which is also so amazing. Again, on high quality, full-sized products. I had such a hard time picking out my items because there was just the craziest deals to choose from for fall. But let's go ahead and open my box, and I'm gonna show you guys what I got for fall of 2025. I'm also waiting to see what the inside of the box looks like, because the inside of the box is also decorated so beautifully. You can also go back and watch my summer box too to see what that one looks like and the items I got. But let's see. Do you see what I mean? And also the experience too, I feel like, of treating yourself to something like this, and the way that it comes packaged to you is so, like, look at this. It's just so incredibly stunning. Let's dive into my box. What do I go in first? This was when as I was scrolling through the items that I wanted in my box, I was shocked to find like high quality, huge name brands, and I did not pay the full price, the retail price of this through my subscription box. So this is the Rare Beauty. This is the Hydrating Body Lotion. Look at this packaging, so beautiful. If you don't know about Rare Beauty, it's the Selena Gomez line. So she's like the, you know, I don't know how you say it, like she's like the founder, and I love her. I absolutely love her. When they say they curate the hottest deals, FabFitFun means it, okay? So I got that one, and then I got myself this LMS. I actually don't know this brand, but when I researched it, again, shocked to find out like the retail value. Wait to try this, especially in the fall. I really want to make sure that my skin is getting like, you know, all those things that it needs, because I do dry out. The product right here is literally a perfect example of why this is the best subscription service. And with FabFitFun, there's actually 2 ways to sign up. You can either do it annually or seasonally. So if you go the annual route, you just get billed up front. You get a little bit of a discount too by doing it that way. If you do the seasonal route, then you're billed quarterly. I got this Another Rare Beauty, by the way. So again, packaging is so beautiful. It looks so fall to me too. So this is a hand cream. I'm very excited about this because I want to be able to like throw this in my purse. But yeah, it's a hydrating hand cream. I never treat myself to expensive products. Like if you watch me and you know you've seen like all of my hauls, you know I love deals. I usually only ever put myself, you know, in a drugstore like situation. So it has been so nice to be able to go through the FabFitFun subscription and I get all of these really amazing high quality things, but I'm not breaking the bank to do it. And I just, my little shopping self honestly loves that. Oh my gosh, just comes out like that. Then it snaps back in place. Okay, next up, Steve Madden. I'm telling you, and as I said, like it was so hard for me to pick the 6 items that I was gonna put in my box because there's so much, but there's also always sales, and so I can shop their website as well anytime I want. So no matter what, even if I didn't want to swap any of my items because so far I love everything that I've gotten, I can still go and like get all of these things at their sales through them. That's part of the perk of having that subscription. But look at these Steve Madden sunglasses. So I got these. I believe these are retail for like $50. I love Steve Madden. So yeah, when I saw it through the list, when I was like, I wouldn't wear these with my caps, but oh, so cute. Also picked some jewelry out this time. Look how pretty this necklace is. This is just so cute. I don't own any like super high quality jewelry, so I feel like it was really fun for me to be able to like add it into my box, because sometimes I do struggle with spending money on myself. Like I love buying like all my jewelry and things, but I never usually spend like this much on a single necklace. But knowing that I'm getting it at like the best deals, so easy. Okay, in here I got this, oh, little thing came out, but I got this travel bag, which I desperately needed. I want to put all of my jewelry in this. So I'll be able to add like my rings in their own place and my necklaces. Like look at all of the little compartments that are in here. You can snap all your necklaces so that they don't get tangled, and the quality is so nice. This is by 8 Other Reasons. And then I got this, which I think is a blanket. And I wanted to go with this burgundy color because I wanted it to have that like fall vibe. So y'all know, like, you know how I am about my blankets, and I definitely had to give this a try. I have this new thing where I have to sleep with a blanket, or what kind of pillow I get, firm, soft, whatever. I feel like there's never the right position. I use a blanket now, and you can literally mold your blanket and prop your head up or prop your head down. And this material is like my dream material for my blanket because it's super soft. I forget what material this is, but when I saw it on their list, I was like, yep, I already know. Like, look how beautiful she is. So chic too. I love this burgundy color. And this is just such a high quality material. So that means one box alone is the entire season. That is actually crazy. So if you think about it, it pays for itself, and then your other 3 seasons, everything is basically free, because like that's just girl math and I don't make the rules. Also, I feel like there's something to be said when you get yourself something. I know as women, a lot of time, like there's just this thing in us where we want to take care of everybody around us. And especially being a single mom, this was something that I really started learning about myself after Micah like finally finished college, I was kind of, I didn't understand the concept of really like treating myself and actually being able to, you know, prioritize myself in a way. And what I learned is by doing that, it actually, it takes care of me in a way, like mentally. Anyways, I started learning the art of not feeling guilty and actually doing a little something for myself. And when these boxes, like this is my second time to get this, and when it arrived, I don't know, I felt some type of way, like I was getting a little present for myself. And I absolutely loved my summer box so much. And this fall box, honestly, like it has me hooked. I had no idea how this worked until my summer box, and I love it. Now I understand why they have like over 1 million members. Like it makes sense to me now. And I'm just wondering like, why did I just like kind of learn about this? So not only do you get all of these amazing deals with your seasonal boxes, but FabFitFun is also going to give you guys 2 codes. So you can either do a 20% off seasonal. You're going to use my code CraftyGirl, which I'm going to leave the link to all of this in the description box below. Definitely make sure you take advantage of this. By the way, I do not make any sort of commission off of these links whatsoever. So make sure that when you do go check out that you take advantage of the additional offers. So again, 20% off if you go the seasonal route. So like I mentioned, you get 2 different ways that you get to sign up. You can either do it annually or seasonally. So if you go the seasonal route, you're gonna get 20% off. Use my code CraftyGirl. If you go the annual route, you're gonna get a $200 gift. So use my code CraftyGirlGift. A $200 gift if you sign up annually. Like, and you've already seen how much these things cost retail. So you can only imagine what goodies you're gonna get from that. So you can get the box for yourself, and by becoming a member of FabFitFun, as I mentioned, you can also shop their sales, which would be so incredibly smart as well, because if you ever needed to like gift give and you really wanted to put together like a super special basket, or you know somebody who like loves rare beauty, but you're getting it at a discount and you're getting the actual full-size product, and also the variety too. I need to mention that real quick, the variety of things. It's not just makeup, it's not just skincare. I've seen cutting boards and all kinds of home decor. Like there is just such a crazy good variety of things as well. So you get those perks when you become part of the membership. And especially with like also, you know, the holidays coming up, perfect time too, because then you get to like just shop all of these full-size amazing deals for a fraction of the cost. And that is my fall 2025 box from FabFitFun. I hope you guys enjoyed and loved seeing all of the items that I chose for myself. And I hope that you got to learn and know all about this amazing company. Don't forget to use your codes when you check out. So if you're gonna go that seasonal route, use my code to get 20% off, which is CraftyGirl from the seasonal. If you go the annual route, which you're gonna get like that better discount when you pay for the full year up front, but you're gonna get a $200 gift, and you use my code CraftyGirlGift to go that route. So whichever way you go, you're definitely gonna get a deal. So thank you once again to FabFitFun for sponsoring me. I honestly can't believe that they're sponsoring me yet again. So thank you so much. And I will see you guys next time.